Welcome to this tutorial. I'm solving question number 9 of paper 21 October-November exam series of 2021. The question is related to thermal physics. It says liquid and glass thermometers use the expansion of a liquid to indicate the temperature. Figure 9.1 shows the molecular structure of a solid. Here is the structure of the solid and a gas. In the middle box of figure 9.1, sketch a diagram to show the molecular structure of a liquid. So this is how we can show the structure of a liquid. Explain why it is easier to compress a gas than to compress a solid. So the reason is that molecules of the gases are further apart and they could be brought closer to each other because they have weaker repulsive forces amongst them. So that is why they can be compressed and brought closer to each other. The temperature of a liquid in glass thermometer increases. State two ways in which the molecules of the liquid in the thermometer are affected. So when the temperature is increased, they start moving faster and they move further apart because of the thermal expansion. So that is why we have a larger reading in the thermometer. The next part says figure 9.2 shows the liquid in glass thermometer. We have a bulb, liquid, and then we have a narrow tube here. There is no scale on the thermometer. State what is meant by the ice point and the steam point. So ice point is defined as the temperature where ice and water are in equilibrium. Or it is the melting point of water. Now the steam point is defined as the temperature where water and steam are in equilibrium, or it is also called the boiling point of water. The next part says describe how the ice point and steam points are used on the thermometer. A 0 degree centigrade is marked at ice point. The level of liquid which is shown when the thermometer is dipped into a mixture of ice and water that is going through melting, and 100 degree centigrade is marked at steam point when the water has started to boil. So the level of liquid shows us where the 100 degree centigrade should be marked, and the interval is divided into 100 divisions. So this is how the scaling on a thermometer is done. The next part says explain how the range of a liquid in glass thermometer is affected by increasing the mass of liquid in a bulb. So when we increase the mass, the range decreases because a greater mass shows more expansion. So when the expansions are larger, the range decreases. Increasing the diameter of the narrow tube. So when we increase the diameter of the narrow tube, the range increases. Because a range is proportional to square of the diameter. So by increasing the diameter, we are increasing the range, and hence greater temperatures greater temperature increase is needed for greater volume increase. So the question ends here with this part.
We try to explain complex concepts in simple language and with effective examples. If you liked the video and the way we explain the subject, consider liking this tutorial, commenting on it and subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon, so that you stay updated and get notified when we upload more videos. Thanks for watching.